Hello, sweetheart. I was just thinking about you. And, I don't know, I'm about to go to sleep, and I wish that you were here to cuddle me, and we could fall asleep together. Oh, sorry, I got a tickle. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Ew. Oh. Trying to keep my sneezes quiet because... Oh, my goodness. I'm gonna wiggle my nose all around. Trying to... Oh. Oh my God. Trying to keep my sneezes quiet. Oh. It's really hard for me to do. Oh, just keep wiggling my nose all around. Oh, just tickly. Oh, God. Oh, God, I feel another one. Phew. Oh, I got another tickle. It's right here. Just creeping up the side of my nose. I just... Oh, I need to sneeze. Phew. Oh, God. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. God, anyway, oh, God, I thought it stopped. Oh. Maybe that's the last one. Oh, no. Maybe not. Oh. Oh. Oh, my goodness. I feel it. Oh, God, I feel another one. Oh, baby. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Another one's coming. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Again. Oh, God. Oh, another one's coming, I think. I feel it right back. Oh. Oh my God. So sneezy. I know why. It's because Sponge came in here. Oh, oh my God. I thought I was going to sneeze again. Oh, now I'm getting stuffy. Oh, baby, I'm a mess. Okay. I feel like maybe it stopped. sleeping. I think I should go. Okay. Just wanted to tell you I miss you. This was my very long, sidetracked way of doing that. Okay. Love you.